Step into the future of events with the MOVICO Giant XL, a revolutionary mobile structure designed for top-tier hospitality and brand immersion. This innovative venue can seamlessly convert from a single 45-feet container into a sprawling triple-deck space, boasting a generous 180 square meters. With room for up to 170 guests, including a rooftop deck accommodating 35, it's equipped with climate control, LED lighting, and cutting-edge technology. Ideal for sports events, corporate gatherings, and special occasions, the MOVICO Giant XL offers an unparalleled experience for your next event. Introducing the Lightship L1, a groundbreaking travel trailer engineered with cutting-edge aerodynamics, boasting a design 3 times more efficient than traditional models. Standing at a sleek height of 2.2 meters, the L1's low center of gravity chassis, battery, and electric drivetrain guarantee seamless towing. With its own engines, it can travel up to 482 kilometers autonomously, transitioning effortlessly from road to camp mode. It comfortably houses 4 to 6 occupants, while rooftop solar panels generate up to 3 kilowatts of energy. Welcome to the TaylorMade Tour Truck, the ultimate mobile workshop for professional golfers worldwide. This high-tech marvel travels to tournaments, offering players access to the latest TaylorMade equipment and top-notch fitting services. With 2 decks spanning 450 square feet, it's a golfer's paradise, equipped with multiple workstations, player lounges, and meeting areas. The main floor boasts fitting bays, a putting green, and a cozy lounge, while the upper level features a meeting room, kitchen, and more. Valued at approximately $1.6 million, it's a golfer's dream come true. Experience luxury on wheels with the Dembell Motorhome, a stunning transformation of a Mercedes-Benz Acro Gigaspace trailer into an Italian yacht-inspired masterpiece by Interior Studio. With a classy nautical vibe, this motorhome boasts a unique layout resembling a studio apartment, offering unparalleled comfort. Standing at 2.1 meters tall, it features a spacious garage capable of accommodating cars up to 4 meters in length. Alternatively, opt for a version with a smaller garage for smart cars or compact vehicles like scooters and bicycles. Step into sustainable living with the Ecocapsule, an egg-shaped mobile tiny home designed by nice architects from Bratislava, Slovakia. Harnessing solar and wind energy, this compact dwelling offers off-grid living at its finest. Despite its small footprint of 68 square feet, the Ecocapsule boasts a cleverly designed interior with a bathroom, kitchen, and sleeping area. Perfect for various purposes like a home office, research station, or pop-up hotel, it promises self-sufficiency and eco-friendliness. Though not yet available for purchase, it's anticipated to be priced around $90,000. Experience innovation on wheels with CyberLandr. This camping module boasts compactness, neatly tucked away in your car trunk, yet unfolds into a mini cottage with a separate bathroom and 500-watt solar panels. While it comes with a slightly higher price tag of about $40,000 compared to competitors, its unique features make it worth the investment. CyberLandr redefines camping adventures, offering convenience and comfort wherever your journey takes you. Step into the future of luxury travel with Romotow. This innovative travel trailer concept features a unique rotating cabin design, expanding the living space by 70% at the push of a button. Equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a walk-in shower, and a queen-sized bed, the Romotow prototype offers high-end amenities for a luxurious travel experience. With its sleek design and advanced features, Romotow has already captured the interest of potential buyers with an expected starting price of around $290,000. Get ready to experience luxury on wheels with FURRION ELYSIUM. Crafted by the renowned American company FURRION, known for their expertise in car, yacht, and house interiors, this 13.7-meter-long motorhome is the epitome of opulence. Featuring a tech-equipped living compartment, a kitchen with built-in appliances, a 75-inch TV, and bathroom facilities, the ELYSIUM goes above and beyond with a helipad equipped with a Robinson R-22 helicopter on its roof. While the price hasn't been disclosed, this one-of-a-kind creation is a marvel of engineering and luxury. Prepare to be awed by the VARIO Signature 1200, a luxurious high-end motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. Stretching 12 meters long and weighing 26 tons, it's a true behemoth of the road. What sets the Signature 1200 apart is its massive car garage, capable of housing a vehicle as large as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. Inside, experience spacious luxury for up to 6 people, complete with all the amenities you'd expect in a high-end motorhome. With a base price of $922,000, the VARIO Signature 1200 promises unparalleled comfort and style. Get ready to be amazed by the Maxus V90 Villa Edition. This motorhome from SAIC Motor may seem ordinary on the road, but wait until it transforms. With sliding elements, the main floor expands to a whopping 20 square meters, housing everything from a living room to a bathroom. But the real magic happens upstairs, with a 12.3 square meter second floor that can be a sunroom, a bedroom, or even a study. Packed with luxury amenities, this marvel comes at a price of $420,000. Experience luxury and power like never before with the STX Volvo FH 540 horse truck. Built for comfort and safety, this magnificent vehicle boasts a Volvo FH chassis renowned for its reliability. With configurations available for 4 to 9 horses, it ensures a smooth journey for both equines and humans. The living area is equipped with top-notch amenities, including a bathroom, dining area, satellite TV, and air conditioning. With its elegant design and superior quality, the STX Volvo FH 540 is more than just a horse truck. It's a symbol of sophistication. Get ready to elevate your family getaways with the Sunseeker Classic. The 3010 Deciskans version offers practicality and comfort for up to 8 people. Equipped with essential features like a toilet, shower, gas stove, refrigerator, and TV, it ensures convenience on the road. Plus, the dining area converts into extra sleeping space. With rear and side cameras for added safety, the Sunseeker Classic is your ticket to unforgettable adventures. Own this motorhome today for $120,000 and make every journey memorable. Introducing the EarthRoamer SX, an ultimate all-terrain expedition vehicle. Built on a Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis, this luxurious camper is your gateway to remote adventures. With a robust 6.6 liters Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine generating 445 horsepower, it conquers any terrain effortlessly. Inside, discover a dynamic kitchen, a bathroom, and 2 bedrooms, including a master bedroom with a queen-sized bed. Priced at $145,000, the EarthRoamer SX ensures comfort and convenience wherever your journey takes you. Innovating towards a sustainable future, the students from Eindhoven University of Technology proudly present the world's first solar-powered SUV, STELLA. This remarkable vehicle, known as STELLA Terra, showcases its durability on both paved roads and rugged terrains. During a rigorous test in Morocco, including the Sahara Desert, STELLA Terra proved its resilience. Covered with solar panels, it achieves complete energy independence, reaching speeds of 145 kilometers per hour with a range of 630 kilometers, all powered by the sun. Our last motorhome adventure takes us to the Cortes 17 camper. Crafted by Cortes campers, this 17-feet single-axle travel trailer boasts a lightweight design thanks to its patented composite monocoque frame. Weighing just 2,680 pounds, it's both sturdy and easy to tow. Inside, it comfortably sleeps 2, with a double bed in the rear and a convertible dinette. Equipped with a galley kitchen and a compact bathroom, this camper offers all the essentials for your journey. Starting at $45,988, it's an affordable option for your next outdoor escapade.